Hello, Teacher Ray here to answer your Howell group class teaching questions. In this episode, I'm going to cover 2 questions from the same teacher. Here are the questions. Question 1. Can we get a download of your iPad materials, graphics, and other video materials as aids while teaching GC? Question 2. Can I download your printable materials? Thanks a lot. Wow, I'm flattered. And the answers to your questions are yes, 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 and yes. I've placed all of my printable materials into a shared Google Drive. I'll include a link to that drive below this video. New printables are added as they become available, so check back periodically for new additions. For example, Cindy and her bike were just added last week. My digital games are not exactly downloadable as they're created using Google Slides, but you can still access them and save them to your Google account to use for your GC lessons. I'll include links below this video to both the Magic Star Reward game and Star Play. To use and/or edit, simply sign into your Google account. If you don't have one, set up a new Gmail address and you will automatically be given a Google account. Next, click on the appropriate link below. When it opens, select File, Make a Copy, and Entire Presentation. Name the new file, and that's it. It's now yours. I have a tip though. To retain the original version or template, make a new copy whenever you make changes. I save all of my games and teaching aids by the corresponding GC lesson title so that they're easy for me to find later on. I also use Google Slides for various other teaching aids, as I kind of mentioned a moment ago. These teaching aids include things such as video clips, GIFs, closed sentences, and comprehension questions. I'll include a link for that below as well. The same process is used to copy and save it to your Google Drive. Please note, you are welcome to use anything that I share with you in your Howell and 5-1 Talk lessons for free. But you are not free to copy, alter, share, swap, trade, or sell these materials in any way for financial gain. If you know another Howell or 5-1 Talk teacher that you feel would like to use my materials for their classrooms, well, by all means, direct them to this video or direct them straight to my shared Google folder. These things are free for all Howell and 5-1 Talk teachers. And now it's time for wrap up! My answer to the questions about accessing and using my digital and printable materials is a resounding yes! I've included links to everything below, including a few video tutorials. I believe, as teachers, that our top priority is our students and their learning. Therefore, I embrace every opportunity to share and learn from each other in order to enhance that student learning. So thank you, teacher, for the opportunity your questions provided for me to share my materials with you. Hey, how about you? Do you have an intriguing question? Click on the survey link below this video and ask Teacher Ray! See you next time. Goodbye! You'll notice here that I am logged in to my Google account. And it says here, view only. See? Don't have permission to do anything to it, right? Okay, but yes, you do. Go over here to File, make a copy, entire presentation. Now, you're going to want to rename this however's easiest for you to remember. Now, I just name it as the template. Oh, we'll just leave, well, yeah. Or game template 1, I guess. Oh, let's just say test. Okay. So what folder do I want it in? Okay, so you're going to choose your folder, right? La 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 la. So I'm just going to put it in my general drive. Okay. And that's it. You click OK. Oh, it opens it again in your Google account. Now you see all of your editing tools here. Now you can edit. See? And you can move things around and you can set up the game for your students.